I'm having trouble deciding which curry to have for dinner tonight. Actually, I think I'll have this one. What is good, everyone? Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I am deliriously happy. I am dizzyingly ecstatic. I'm just really excited because I have finally done it. After going 0 for 44 in 2020, I finally hit on the SNKRs app. I did it. You've heard me bemoan on this channel before that I was unable to hit on SNKRs ever and get shoes for retail, but I've gotten lucky in 2021, right away in January. So today I'm going to be showing that very special first unboxing. Now, I did buy SNKRs twice off of SNKRs app last year, but they were shoes that were in stock, not things that sold out upon release. So this is actually my first to actually pull from a drop where the shoes sold out almost immediately. Before I get into the box though, I do want to throw out a quick advertisement for an episode that is coming up that I've been talking about forever, which is a how to cop shoes in Japan video. And I finally filmed it. It just remains to be edited, and that should be out sometime later this week. So please look for that one. But for now, let's get started with what I managed to get in hand. And it's a little bit early compared to those of you who are in North America. I know that the Europe and North American drops were kind of pushed back, but remained on track in Japan. So I was able to get this Thursday morning was when they dropped, and I managed to hit on the app. This is direct from Nike, and voila. We have a size 9.5. And they are, oh dear. These are the Nike Dunk Low curry, or medium curry. And, ooh, I can already tell looking at them that these have some seriously sweet materials on them. We've got this all over suede upper, and it looks really nice. It's night and day compared to the photos and actually having them in hand. So this is a completely different animal. So we've got this suede upper, and it comes in these curry brown accents, right? And also sail color in the upper, and these, they call it fossil color, which is the swoosh and the back here with the Nike. And then the curry brown bottoms. Now, if you've had Indian curry, or I'm in Japan, Japanese curry, this is basically what the color is. So I get the name. And I'm not gonna lie, compared to some other shoes I've had in hand recently, these are really premium feeling. It's got these really cool details in the laces. It's like these little like sparkly dots within the laces themselves. And got the Nike on the tongue, Nike on the back, and a straight up Nike swoosh on the inside there. I have to say that I couldn't have asked for a nicer shoe to have gotten my first legitimate win on SNKRs. They don't appear to have any particular flaws or issues, so the quality control on them seems to have been pretty good. And I can't get over how fuzzy this suede is. I mean, I know it's not up there with like the Bear Brick Dunks or anything like that. It's not like an actual fur, but it's definitely got, hopefully it'll come out in my detail shots, this extra fuzzy bit. And then the lace guards are, I don't know, they're almost more of a nubuck, because they're not the same fuzzy as the rest of it. Even the fossil colored swoosh is fuzzy. And certainly the fuzziest part is this back where the Nike label is. And what's great about these is it's such a wearable colorway. I mean, a brown shoe with accents of sail and the fossil, I mean, this will pretty much match just about anything. Maybe not what I've got on today with the all black outfit I've got going, black and gray. But, you know, jeans, sweatpants, shorts in the summertime, these look like they'll go with just about anything, which is what I look for in a shoe specifically. So, let me know what you think. Did you go for these? Did you manage to hit on these? Are you really trying to get your hands on a pair for resale? If you didn't hit, what is your opinion on these medium curry dunks? Because for me, it was a no-brainer to try for them. I was honestly shocked when I got them. I looked at my phone. Basically, I put my information in and turned off my phone, kind of forgot about it, checked 20 minutes later, and it said, purchase confirmed. I was like, finally, I am not disappointed. And honestly, I think anyone who gets their hands on these shoes will not be disappointed with the quality or the look. And I think that they are definitely a shoe that is worth going for. If you are into dunks or into getting infinitely wearable colorways, this is a great shoe to look for. So definitely recommended, and happy I got my hands on a pair. So thank you very much for watching this rather short video. I just wanted to share my enthusiasm and ecstasy of having finally gotten my hands on a pair of shoes direct from sneakers, shoes that sold out, that were basically gone in an instant, and my name was on the list this time. Finally. So alright, let me know what you think. Like and subscribe if that's your thing. If it's not, that's cool, but I'm happy that you watched the video and made it this far. And if they're dropping soon where you are, best of luck. Thanks for watching. Peace.